Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. And please share these videos out. It would help me tremendously. Y'all, I did get a hold of the lady that won the contest, the $100 giveaway, and I will be sending her check to her today. I don't believe she's got a PayPal account, but she did send me her address. Okay, my mastery course, you can still get into it. The link is in the description box below. The course is doing so much better than I ever dreamed it would do, but you can still get in. People that's in it seems to be liking it, so it's going well. If y'all want in, now's the time to do it. Stun guns, pepper spray, and tactical knives. I got a new shipment of all of those in, so if you want those, the link is in the description box also. Also, for the first 30 customers that orders, I will be sending you the We the People Are Pissed Off button that I always send out free, but I will also be sending you a Vote Them All Out button. They're almost gone. I only had 30 of them, so if you want both buttons, be sure and order your stun guns or your pepper spray or your knife very soon to ensure that you'll get one. I only had 30 and they're almost gone now. So, okay, getting into today's stimulus information. Nancy Pelosi and Steve Mnuchin are working on a stimulus package. They had said that we could see a package agreed on over the weekend, but that didn't happen. But now it could be early this week. Let's just hope so. We know the airlines did agree on giving a few more days before they start laying their employees off. They gave them a few more days to reach an agreement on the bill. Nancy Pelosi told them over the weekend, just give us till Monday. Well, today is Monday. So does that mean we'll get a bill agreed on today? We'll have to wait and see. I hope so. After Steve Mnuchin and Nancy Pelosi agrees on it, they will send it to the Senate for a vote. Then on to the president, and we know he will sign it. That's a given. Y'all, again, if you want in the self-publishing course, please check out the link below. The stun guns are in the links below. Please check those out. President Trump went out for an outing yesterday. He left the hospital. I guess when you're the president, you can do that. I remember when my wife was in the hospital, they wouldn't let her go nowhere. I know people's going to be saying bad things about this, but he's Donald Trump. He's not going to listen to no one. He's hard-headed. He's going to do what Donald Trump wants to do. I think it's funny. He wanted to give his supporters outside recognition for being there. Outside the Walter Reed Hospital, their supporters lined up all up and down both sides of the street with the Trump flags and American flags. He did this for two reasons. He's letting the world know he is still strong and he is not sick. He needed to do that because you've seen all the headlines in the news. You've seen all the thumbnails on YouTube. People spinning this every way they can. He needs to set the record straight. And he did that by going out up here and waving at everyone. And the other reason he's doing this is the only way he can campaign right now. Everybody else is free to campaign. He can't do that. So by just going out and acknowledging his supporters, waving at them, that's a way of campaigning. And that's a way of letting them know that he is still in charge. I applaud him for doing that. Now, if all of this stuff is not confusing enough, Nancy Pelosi just sent another offer to Trump and the White House. She said it's just to see what they will agree on. At the same time, she says an agreement is possible early this week. Let's hope so. Well, Nancy, I say to you, I don't believe anything you say anymore. I will wait and see again. In her counter offer, we know the stimulus checks for $1,200 for all filers and $500 for all dependents are safe. At this time, everyone on both sides of the party lines are wanting this. So this part is a done deal. The checks will go out, and everybody that got it before will get it again. Even more people will get it. If you owe back child support, you'll still get it. If you owe back bills and they garnished your first one, they won't be able to garnish this one. So this is a done deal within the stimulus package. If you got a check before, you'll get it this time. SSI, SSDI, Social Security, Railroad Retirement, you'll all get it. A lot of people keep asking that question. Y'all, there is no way they could hold away from SSI, SSDI, and Social Security and the railroad. There's no way they could do that. Y'all, I'm sorry, I'm having real problems this morning. That's water. Trying to keep my mouth wet so I can talk. Y'all, we still have a $491 billion difference in the packages from what the House wants and what the Senate wants. I know to you and me, $491 billion sounds like a huge number, but in the big scheme of things, when you're talking about numbers in the trillions, this is not really that big of a difference at all. I really think that the gap is closing. I think they will reach an agreement very soon, like hopefully today. I know the airlines is chomping at the bit. They're probably pacing the floor wondering, do they still have a job? Let's hope they do. Nancy Pelosi told the airlines, please just hold off. You know a stimulus package is coming very soon. And by her saying that, that's a very good sign that it's basically a done thing. They just have to go through the formalities of getting a verbal agreement. Then they need to send it to the Senate and then to the President. I really believe that this is coming sooner than later. Y'all, please check out the course in the box below, Self-Publishing Mastery. It's doing very good. Most people, when they have a course like this, they sell it for about $1,000. That's crazy to me. I would never sell a course that high. I don't think no one should. That's taking advantage of people, and I can't do that. My course is $35, and at the end of the course, you will have your own book published and making you money. How much money? I can't tell you that. There's no guarantees. It's a luck of the draw. It's how much money how much time you want to put into it, how much work you want to put into it. Y'all, it is very easy, but there is steps you've got to take, as in everything. And if you take my course, your first book, I will put it on my website. And I sell a lot of books. I get a lot of traffic to my website. and I will sell your book for you. And I will use your PayPal button for that book. So I don't ever see your sale. I don't ever see your money, nothing. It comes straight to you. You get 100% of your money for that book. Y'all, please check it out. And there's a lot of freebies in that course. And also the stun guns, pepper spray, and tactical knives. Y'all get them. I just got a big shipment in. Y'all get them now. I love you all. Till the next time. I'm not sure if I'll make another video. Well, I did record 2 videos, and they're coming out today. But the stimulus stuff, I don't know if I'll make another one or not today. All depends on if something happens. Then I will make another one. But at 9 o'clock, I've got the money video. It's good. Don't miss it. At 12 o'clock, I got the Uncovering PewDiePie video. If y'all don't know who PewDiePie is, please check that video out. I think you will like it. The man is awesome. I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel. Watch the video that's popping up here now. And just know, I love you all. We will get out of this better than we were before by the grace of God. Y'all say a prayer for our country, our president, and everybody that's suffering right now. I do love you all. Ciao.